Chotu, where are we? This jungle is scary.
Don't worry, Babu. Look at those beautiful birds. Babu, Chotu, be careful. That crocodile looks hungry.
Chotu, don't worry, Babu. I'm just looking.
Whee! Butterflies! So many pretty butterflies.
Oh, Chotu, always chasing something.
Be very quiet, Chotu. There are snakes everywhere.
Babu, I'm scared.
Wow, Chotu! This waterfall is amazing!
I know, Babu. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
Welcome to the mysterious Amazon rainforest, the lungs of our planet. Spanning over 9 countries, this vast jungle is home to more than 3 million species of plants and animals. As you travel through the dense canopy, every sound tells a story, from the call of exotic birds to the whispers of hidden rivers. The Amazon is not just a forest, it is a living, breathing world of secrets and survival. Ancient tribes still live here, connected deeply with nature, guarding traditions that date back thousands of years. Every step into the Amazon reveals a new wonder, a reminder of how powerful and fragile our planet truly is. Get ready to explore the unknown, where adventure meets mystery, and nature speaks louder than words.